Welcome in the studio, guys. In this video I will replace my DJI Osmo Action 4 that I use for motovlogging with the new DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. So it is a really small box that will contain the camera and not that many accessories, but let's see for ourselves what is inside. So we have an accessories box right here, which I will pull out. This should be the camera, some paperwork from DJI, silica gel, don't eat it, and that's it. Let's see what is inside the accessories box. So first things first, we have an USB-C to USB-C cable, a bag with the Action 5 Pro case and some other stuff, and some paperwork with some stickers inside this bag right here. 5 stickers in total. Pretty nice. And in this bag, besides the case, which allows you to mount the camera vertically, we also have the battery, which will go inside the camera, and this is the new battery from DJI, a screw, and there's another bag with some mounting accessories. And here we will find some stickers, which I'm not sure what they're intended to be used. And we also have an adhesive mount and a magnetic mount, which will go on the bottom of the camera. Let's put everything aside and let's open up the battery and the camera, because this is the important stuff right here. So the camera comes in a bag, another bag. There's a lot of bags here, and this is the Action 5 Pro. It looks very similar to the Action 4, but it is way better in terms of image quality and dynamic range. And let's see, this is the front element. Let's insert the battery. It goes just like this. I don't have a memory card right now. Here we have a rubber ring. They made the mode button bigger. That's nice. So let's turn on the camera and see. Ooh, it started up pretty fast. We have the device name, and that's for connecting to the DJI Mimo app. It already found the camera. It also found the Pocket 3, and now allow access, activate after login, confirm, and now the camera is activating. Okay, DJI Care refresh, skip, get started. So we also have a firmware update for the Action 5 Pro. I will let it download the firmware and I will install it. Firmware is ready to install, so let's click install, connect. Let's see, it will find the camera. Yeah, connect. It will ask to join the Wi-Fi. It started installing, and it says that it will take 2 minutes. And we have an update that is successful. I will click done, and now the camera will start. So we can do the basic settings finally. One thing to note is that the rec button is bigger on the Action 5 Pro comparing to the Action 4, and also the mode button on the side is a bit bigger too, and it is not protruding that much. Settings, here we come. Let's see what basic settings we can do right here. 4K 16:9, 30 FPS, and let's check the stabilization. Let's keep it on Rocksteady Plus because it doesn't crop. Oh, it crops a lot. Okay, so let's keep it on Rocksteady and put the lens onto the ultra wide mode, equivalent to 11mm. We are in the Pro menu, and I will change the exposure to 100 to 3200, and let's confirm it. I will change the color mode to D-Log-M 10-bit because that's what I'm used to use on the Action camera. And we can also adjust right here the image, and we can make it custom if we want to adjust the texture, or if we want to modify the noise reduction. set by the camera, but I will leave it on default because I am pretty happy with what the camera has as a default. And that's it. Right now we should be ready to mount the camera on the helmet and go for a motovlog. So I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing, guys, and if you are interested in other stuff about the Action 5 Pro or even the Action 4, even though it is a bit older, tell me in the comments. Have a nice day and have fun filming and enjoy your new camera.